हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। क्या आप तैयार हैं मेरे साथ गाना गाने के लिए? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Be kind, be kind. Help each other, help each other. Say hello and goodbye, say hello and goodbye. Work as a team, work as a team. Wait for your turn. Be friendly, be friendly. Share. Keep the classroom clean, keep the classroom clean. Arrive on time, arrive on time. Be willing to lead a hand, be willing to lead a hand. Try to do your best, try to do your best. Keep the classroom tidy, keep the classroom tidy. Throw papers in the dustbin, throw papers in the dustbin. Use spare time wisely, use spare time wisely. Concentrate on your own work, concentrate on your own work. Stay in your place, stay in your place. Wash your hands regularly, wash your hands regularly. Cover your face when you sneeze or cough, cover your face when you sneeze or cough. Stay in line, stay in line. Raise your hand before you speak, raise your hand before you speak. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.